Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 7 Geography, Chapter 6 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. How are you children? I hope all of you are safe and fine there at home.
Children, in the last class, we have learnt about temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. Today, we would focus on Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest.
The next one is Mediterranean forest.
West and southwest margins of the continents have Mediterranean vegetation. Once more, west and southwest margins of the continents have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. Also found in California in the USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America and Southwest Australia. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes are commonly cultivated here. Once more, citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes are commonly cultivated here. There is not much wildlife here. So these are the specialities of Mediterranean vegetation. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes are cultivated here and there is not much wildlife. Okay. This is the picture of a vineyard in the Mediterranean region.
Children, which is the last one? Yes, coniferous forest.
Found in latitudes in between 50 degree to 70 degree of northern hemisphere. These are also called as taiga. These coniferous forests are also known as taiga. These forests are also seen in higher altitude. Higher altitude means in high range areas. Okay. They are tall, softwood and evergreen trees. The speciality of trees here, they are tall, softwood and evergreen. They do not shed their leaves. Okay. That's why they are known as evergreen forest, evergreen trees. Woods of these trees are very useful for making pulp. These woods are very helpful or useful for making pulp, that is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Okay, this pulp is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Then cher, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees in this forest. Cher, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees in this forest. Silver fox, mink, polar bear are the more common animals found here. So this is a picture of coniferous forest and these are the polar bear. Silver fox, mink, polar bear are the common animals found here in this coniferous forest. Once more children, listen here. Found in latitudes in between 50 to 70 degree of northern hemisphere, and these coniferous forests are also known as taiga, and these forests are also seen in the higher altitudes. Then the specialities of this coniferous forest. The trees are tall, softwood and evergreen. Then woods are used for making pulp, and this pulp which is useful for making or manufacturing paper and newsprint. Then cher, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees here in this coniferous forest. Okay. So children, what do you mean by grasslands? Which grow in the region of moderate rain. Grasslands which grow in the region of moderate rain. Okay. So these grasslands are known by different names in different regions. These grasslands are known by different names in different regions. Tropical grasslands and temperate grasslands. There are two types, tropical grasslands and temperate grasslands. First one, tropical grasslands. East Africa, known as savanna, and in Brazil, campos. Peninsula, Llanos. Then temperate grasslands in Argentina, Pampas, North America, Prairie, South Africa, Wild, Central Asia, Steppe, and Australia, Down. Okay. So children, look at this picture. This is tropical grassland. These tropical grasslands occur on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. These occur on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. This vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. The grass can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height. The grass can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height. Savanna grasslands of Africa are of this type. Elephants, zebras, giraffes, deer, leopards are common in tropical grasslands. So these are the specialities of tropical grassland. These occur on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. This vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. The grass can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height, and savanna grasslands of Africa are of this type. Elephant, zebra, giraffe, deer, leopards are common in tropical grasslands. Children, after watching this video, read your textbook very well and mark all the important things in your textbook and study well. Okay.
So children, it's time to wind up our session. Please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this classroom. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.